Hi Food Explorers, this is Mac from Mocktails. Nandito kami ngayon sa Mount Banahaw View, Deck and Cabin para i-present kila Chef yung aming mga crop sa Mocktails. And let's go! Yeah, so, yung Mocktails, nag-start yan 5 years ago. Before, nasa isip ko pa lang siya, nung nagtatrabaho pa ako sa exclusive club. So, na-visualize ko pa lang siya na mag-deliver nga ng handcrafted beverage. Interesting drink, but at the same time, affordable. Then, ang ultimate goal ko talaga is yung freedom na mag-create ng drinks. Ayun lang, and then to express sa, sa market natin, which is yung mga estudyante sa UBEL. Alright, so first, tinatanong namin kung anong preference ng guest. So, ang mocktails kasi usually talaga napagkakamalan siya na alcoholic. Pero, lang talaga siya non-alcoholic. Term siya for cocktail. So, ginaguide namin or ina-educate namin yung mga guests namin, especially mga students na non-alcoholic lang yung drink. But, same approach and technique na ginagamit like cocktails. Ayun, so since pangatlong rearrange na kami ng beverage menu namin, meron na kami tinatawag na Signature Classic, which is ito yung mga best sellers sa mga previews na menu namin, like Rosy Pear, Matcha Peas, Purple Belight for the mocktails, and Yema Affogato for the coffee. But still, depende kung ano yung preference ng guest, kung gusto niya ng fruity or caffeinated. Alright, so we have yung pinaka-topic natin, which is yung Rosy Pear. Tropical driven drink siya, pink guava forward. Then meron siyang nice texture ng fresh pear juice. Ayun yung nagbibigay ng interesting part sa kanya. Very refreshing, very easy drinking lang, light. Sobrang addictive para sa mga students. And we also have yung Yema Affogato natin. Ayun naman yung bestseller for the coffee. So, ayun yung rearrangement or riff ng classic caramel macchiato. So, since Yema is one of our delicacy dito sa Philippines, ginamit namin siya na main ingredient na sweetener pair sa cold brew, strong cold brew na sagada, which is goes really well with it. Rich yun, creamy, nice digestive drink. And kung mahilig ka sa caffeine, tas may round flavor ng toast, caramel, Yema notes, that's for you. Alright, so we're located at G. Tolentino Street, corner Idalas Reyes, near UST Pinobal. So, nandun lang kami sa UBEL. We also have our social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Mocktails_ sa lahat ng accounts. Thank you, Food Explorer. So, sana makabisit kayo sa store namin, dun sa bar namin, sa mobile bar, sa Mocktails, sa UBEL. So, see you!